it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video, we have a wig review. I'd like to thank Hairvivi for collaborating with me and sponsoring today's video. I know you didn't think I cut my hair, did you, girl? We grow over here. But I will say I've always wanted to, cut my hair into a bob. I've always just been too scared to do it. So this came at a really great time as the weather is warming up. I don't have to have all that hair down my back. So if you'd like to see the unboxing, install, and review of this hair, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Of course, starting with the unboxing, as soon as you open your box, you're gonna have two beautiful bags, might I add. I love this color, but you'll get two bags, one with your wig in it and one goodie bag. Now, in the smaller goodie bag, you're gonna have two black hair clips from the company, and of course, an edge brush with the brush on one end and the comb on the other. And in the larger bag, it does contain your wig, as I previously said. I wasn't sure because I've never heard of this company and I've never worked with this company before, so I wasn't quite sure what I was going to get. But right offhand, I'm pleasantly surprised. They put a lot of work into crafting this wig. So what stood out the most to me was their Invisa scalp portion of the wig. This is a pre-made fake scalp, so you don't have to do the ball cap method, and it gives you a very natural look. As far as the lace, it's an invisible HD front lace. Of course, you have your side combs, an elastic band, as well as the adjustable straps at the nape area, as well as the combs at the nape area to secure the wig. This wig is gonna be secure on your head. Like, it is not going anywhere. It also has a pre-plucked hairline. And as for the lace, it is a 13x6 large space of clean bleached knots. This human hair wig has beautiful body and density to it, and it did not have any shedding whatsoever, and it did not have a smell. You guys know I smell these wigs when they come in. This did not have a smell. So I placed my wig on my wig form just to get a better look at the hairline as well as the cut of this bob. As you can see, you can wear this wig directly out of the packaging, but I am going to use a hot comb on this wig, only in the part area, really to just make it lay flatter. And before putting the hot comb to it, I am going to use a little bit of beeswax to help the hot comb lay the hair flatter. And of course, to give it a sleek little bump, I'm going to just run my hot iron through it really quickly. And voila! Do you see how flat this is? You guys, this is so sleek and cute. I cannot wait to put it on. Okay, so the only thing I'm doing with my hair is applying some coconut oil to my edges, and then I'm going to braid my hair and put it into a very low bun using a silk scrunchie. Okay, so this part is super unnecessary. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it because I wanna make sure my hair stays down and it's secure while under the wig. As you can see, I'm just putting the wig on and adjusting it to my liking and getting a feel for the wig while on my head and trying to determine how much I'm going to have to cut and if I'm going to have to cut into the hairline, which I don't think I'm going to need to because I have really long sideburns. A lot of the time I have to cut so much from the side, but as you can see, my ear is already out. Like I don't have to cut much off. You guys, I was so concerned as to how the pre-made fake scalp was going to look, how it was going to drop off into the lace, if there was going to be a large line of demarcation that you can see. But as you can see, it looks good. Like it blends. I haven't even cut the lace yet and it blends so well. All right, so I have two different pair of scissors that I can choose from. I have my shears and I have these scissors that I found in my house. I have no clue how they got there, but I'm gonna use those because they're smaller. Okay, so as I stated before, I'm just gonna cut the additional lace around my ear. There is no hair being cut off, only the lace. Because this wig fits so well to my head, I don't want to cut off any hair that I may need in the future. So I'm only cutting the lace around the hairline and then reassessing to determine whether I need to cut a little bit more into the hairline if I like it or not. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I barely cut any hair off of the lace. Like I literally, if you like, you can wear this as a glueless option. All you would have to do is make sure you use the combs on the side as well as the adjustable strap to make it a bit more snug and lay a little bit flatter. But because I have really long sideburns and I have like the little flaps on the side, I decided to go ahead and use a little bit of Got to Be Glued around the hairline. But I always do this. I should have wiped the makeup off of my hairline before laying down this lace because the makeup gets caught in your lace, you guys, and you don't get a flawless lay like you would really want. Okay, now that the edges are dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this band and see what we're working with here. I think it looks good. I mean, you can see a little bit of makeup caught in there, but we knew that was gonna happen, girl. But outside of that, this wig is looking mighty good. But I don't know why, I decided to go ahead and put a little bit of baby hairs here and there. But it was completely unnecessary. It was just a personal preference at that moment. Yes. I love it. I cannot wait to start styling this wig and doing different things with it. I'm excited. This wig is going to hold up, baby. You know when you get a bob and you do this for no reason, turn your head like this for no reason? You know, I'm gonna be Dora the Explorer, just like sightseeing everything. Oh, that's nice. Oh, is that a bird? Oh, is he looking at me? Oh. I didn't have to fight with this hair at all. I actually didn't shampoo or condition it. It didn't have any type of smell to it. I normally don't work with a wig straight out of the box, but I really wanted to do that with this wig. And I think it did really, really well. This is the natural color 1B, I believe. Whoever cut this hair did a really, really good job. The cut is nice and blunt. You can tell there was some debulking done to this wig. This hair is super soft. You guys, I am still working on perfecting these little baby hairs, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't need to do that with this wig. Like, I could have left it the way it was, and honestly, I'll probably like brush these back and just not have any baby hairs to wear it for the day. I'm not a huge wig wearer, so when I do wear a wig and the density is really high and there's really long hair everywhere, it feels so wiggish when I go out, but this does not feel wiggish at all. The density is perfect. I love it. I love it. Did I say I love it? Because I do. Comment down below if you've tried this company before. What was your experience? Let the girls know. My experience was really good. Shipping was like that. It was like as soon as I told them what I wanted, they sent me the tracking number. They had this thing out to me. They followed up to make sure I had it. So yes. All right, guys, so that is today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up on the way out. And until the next time, be loved. Bother me,